know by the title, and I also posted it, this is a giveaway. And what I will be giving away is Taraji P. Henson's Natural Hair Products, TPH. And some of y'all may know, some of y'all may not know, I already did a demo and a review on Taraji's natural hair care line products, and so I have the video right here, and y'all can go watch that if y'all want to. And also my bun, if you like it and you want to see my strategy for doing a sleek bun, I also have that right here for you to click and go watch my bun tutorial. But anyways, let's get back into the giveaway. So these are her products that I'll be giving away. So I'll be giving away her Never Salty Sugar Based Scalp and Hair Scrub. That is this. And I'll be giving away her Master Cleanse Targeted Scalp Wash, her Mint Condition Entangling Scalp Conditioner, and the Ultra Chill and Cooling Serum. So I used all of these products except this one. So, and I only used them one time, and like I said, I already did a demo and review. So I just decided to give them away. So these are used. So if you don't want them because they used, fine by me. But I'll also be giving away cash along with these hair products. It ain't gonna be a whole lot, but it will be more than $20, $30. So all you have to do to enter my giveaway is like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, share this video, and then I want you to go follow me on at least 2 of my social media accounts, which will be linked down below. I have an Instagram, a Twitter, I have a Facebook, and a Snapchat. Then after you do these things, comment done when you're done. And I will be checking. So like I said, I'll be giving away TPH hair products, and those are the steps that you have to do to be entered into the giveaway. I will do a fair and square pick and choose. I'll randomly pick somebody. I'm not going to just look and do this and do that. No, I'm just going to randomly pick somebody. So I'll be giving away some cash with it and the hair products like I said. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you've never watched none of my content, you might want to go do that. Watch some of my videos because they're very informative, kind of fun and interesting to watch. So yeah, so that's about it, y'all. I hope y'all having a good day, and just make sure you always come back, enjoy and watch my content. And also the giveaway is going to last for a week. No, I'll say the giveaway is going to last for I'll do like a week and a half. A week and a few days. So I'll put in the description box when the exact date that the giveaway will be closed. Peace.